What are you learning about? Microscopes. Thank you so much. Are you really smart?
Mama.
Thank you. Would you like to show the rest of the mess you've made? Let me see the folder, baby. Go get the folder. Please. Please. No, Mommy doesn't want your toy. Let's see the rest of the mess you've made. Oh, boy. Look at all that. Oh, part of the Spanish book. That's cool. What's this? More Spanish? Wow. Yeah. Are you very smart, Bowie? Bowie, are you smart? I see that. The vroom vroom. So this is what Bowie does when Mommy's preoccupied in the kitchen.